Hey guys, Jacob Coyle here with MarineMax Clearwater and Aquila Boats and Yachts. Today we're going to take a look at an Aquila 32 2020 model that we have available for immediate delivery inside of our Clearwater showroom. First thing you're going to notice, I'm standing on our hydraulic swim platform. What this does is it lowers right to the water line, so when you are at the sandbar or you're at the beach or just out swimming for that matter, you can lower it. Makes entryway in and out of the water very, very simple. As you get to go onto the boat, you'll see this boat is equipped with white twin 300 horsepower Mercury engines, okay? As we walk up into the cockpit area, notice the handrails here, the steps, very, very simple to traverse into it. We do have a gate here that can open up and close, block off the whole area. The seats have convertible backs, so you can lounge here if you'd like, face backwards, or have it like this, sit here for a social atmosphere. Table does go up and down, so you can make it a lounge, or you can have it up where you can enjoy snacks and drinks. You got some cup holders here, as well as you got cup holders here, and you got some storage tucked in behind there. As you continue to walk forward here, notice how big the hardtop is. Plenty of protection from the elements, plenty of protection for the shade. It's a very, very substantial hardtop here. Also notice the blue LED lighting all around the boat, okay? Aquila is known on their 32s and 36s for having that wow factor at night. This boat's got it with the blue LED lighting. As you come over here to the helm, you got two bolster seats here, so you fit two people, no problem. This particular boat is equipped with your Raymarine. You can add an additional one if you wanted to. You also have joystick piloting here, which the Mercury joystick piloting on this boat comes with your autopilot feature as well as your skyhook technology. As you come over here to the port side, you've got a nice lounge chair here. Again, two people, no problem can fit. So between the captain's chair and over here, you've got four adults that can fit no problem. What you also have on the port side is you've got your single stateroom. And once you're inside of there, you've got about just under 6 feet of headroom, so plenty of room in there for overnighting. Also makes for a great storage area. As you come back over here, you've got a little galley area here. We've got the electric grill. We've got your sink right here. We've got a fridge right here as well. So everything you could need for some overnighting, for some day tripping, you've got it all right here. On the starboard side here, you're going to have a nice, good size head. Again, once you're down in there, you've got just under 6 feet of headroom in there. And as you come out of there and you come to the bow of the boat, notice you got this nice open bow area. You've got a double seat over here on the port side. You've got a single seat over here on the starboard side. Again, no problem getting three adults, maybe able to squeeze four in here. Great for your day boating, all that stuff. You're going to have a windlass anchor as well off the bow, and on this particular boat you also have a bow boarding ladder. So this is the walkthrough of the Aquila 32 that we've got in stock here at our Clearwater office. If you got questions, give us a call, ask for Jacob.